Hi there, this is my unboxing video. I've brought a Dyna-living upgraded manual wire stripper from Amazon, and hopefully this will help with my wire stripping and be a bit more efficient. And let's see what this thing is like. This came the other day, but I've not opened it yet. I was waiting to do a video with it, and you guys can see this at the same time. Apparently you can use it with a handle or attach a cordless drill to it, so it's semi-manual. So far so good. Move that. Well, the feeding section seems to move nice and freely. That's the height adjuster for the blade. For your different thickness wires. An adjustable guard there. Sorry, I'm not very good in the middle of the camera. So you loosen them, just that, higher and lower for the different size wires, and helps when you feed it through, keep it in line with the bottom of the runners. So far, everything looks quite good. Quite heavy, made of sturdy metal. So first impressions seem pretty good. And the handle, if I can just put that down there. And what's in this little package? It even comes with Allen keys for the different parts. Comes with bolts and washers for you to anchor it, secure it to your work table. So look. Give me a minute. So you can do it by hand. Or you can put your cordless drill onto here and that'll power it, which I would say would be the better option, as long as you don't run the drill too fast. So you got your whole feed, and I presume that puts pressure on the wire and keeps it in the middle of the groove. Which, if I remember right, I think this one, they do two versions. This is the 2mm and up, which I think they're doing a slightly cheaper model. Which that moves quite freely. Which overall, my first thoughts is quite decent. Heavy and sturdy. So the first thoughts on it, brilliant. Everything's moving nice and free. The wheels spin freely. So there you go. That's the Dyna-living upgraded manual wire stripper off Amazon. First thought, good. And when it's all set up in my little workshop area, I'll get a lot of different size wires and we'll give it a try and see how good it actually works. So I'll catch you on a future video soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.